Hello, broody lady. Just gonna do a quick egg check. I collected some earlier. So here's one. There's a soft one. Makes two. I'm gonna leave that because it's just gonna be nasty. Actually, I'm just gonna put it in their thing. And they can have it. That's a soft one for you. So that would have been two. Remnants of three. And this is everything I put aside earlier. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry if you didn't see any of that. 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'd say I benefited from leaving them locked up a little bit longer, even though I didn't want to. Oh, ladies, ladies, ladies. I guess I need to pack a picnic for the littles and let them out in the morning and just sit outside all day. I don't have time for that. And I'll be keeping my ears out because, or my ears out. I'll be keeping an ear out because I really think I heard somebody crow earlier, which was a new crow. So we'll see. Little babies are growing fast. Well, it's about that time. Night night, ladies. I'll see you tomorrow. Gotta run some errands and then I'll be home to let them out. Toodles.